Ready? Okay. Andarki namaskaram. Good morning. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming here today. This film is very, very special. This film naku chala special. It's releasing on the 21st of July, and I'm just very happy that this event has been organized by B. Raju sir and Jaya ma'am specially for me. So thank you so much once again for taking out your time and coming here. ఈ మూవీ నా పేరు భానుమతి అండ్ భానుమతి ఈజ్ అ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ గర్ల్, వెరీ ఒపీనియనేటెడ్, వెరీ అంబిషియస్, బట్ వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు హర్ పర్సనల్ లైఫ్, రిలేషన్షిప్స్, వాల్యూస్, షీ ఈజ్ అ తెలుగు అమ్మాయి. చాలా పాపం, చాలా సింపుల్ ఉంది అండ్ షీఈస్ వెరీ రూటెడ్ ఇన్ హర్ వాల్యూస్, వెరీ క్లోజ్ టు హర్ ఫాదర్, వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ గర్ల్ బేసిక్లీ. నేను ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. తెలుగు బాగా అర్థం అవుతుంది, మాట్లాడడానికి కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. సరే. This film actually, sir and ma'am saw my pictures and they called me from Bombay and they met me, they told me about the role, and I had a photo shoot with Harish, the co-star, and immediately I signed it and I went back. Very simple story. Dancer. Actually, I've learned Kathak, but Kathak, filmy dance chala different undi. This film I had to do mass dance, any genres ki songs undi movie ko lo. So I had to learn folk and salsa and lots of other forms. So thanks to Shekhar Master that he made me dance, and Jaya ma'am that I danced for the first time. Telugu. No, not first film, not first. First commercial outing only. Jaya ma'am is very special to me. She's like family. She's very particular in sets. She knows exactly what she wants from her artists, but she's softy at heart. నన్ను మీ డాటర్ లాగా చూసుకున్నందుకు I felt at home because of the way they took care of me, everybody, you know, from the way I felt, the way I should look in the film, the way I should be presented, everything she took care of. So chala బాగుంది experience. My co-star is Harish in this film, and he's a munchy dancer, munchy actor, and most importantly, very nice person. Very cool, very down to earth, very generous actor. So superb experience. Story lo. All of it. And actually, most importantly, I love the fact that she's such a strong characterization. She's not just dancing and not just for glamour. That's something I naku chala nachindi. But most importantly, she has a very beautiful emotional side in the film, with her father especially. And I'm very close to my father in my real life. So it's a special segment in the film ki close relationship, father and daughter. So naku that segment chala nachindi. Awards, sir. Romance, okay. Romance is very important, and especially in this film, I'm actually very shy. Sorry, correct, no? I'm actually very shy in real life, but in this film we have a really nice dosage of romance. It's young love actually. It's about two young people meeting. There's a lot of teasing, a lot of banter, a lot of fights, tit for tat undi. But it's very interesting, very beautiful romance. ఈ మూవీలో నాకు భానుమతి చాలా నచ్చింది. అండ్ ఐ థింక్ కంట్రీ చిలక. other characters. So we have Manchi actors in this film. We have Sai Kumar Garu, Kasi Viswanath Garu, Ramaprabha Garu, Ishwari Rao, Prithvi Garu, and all of them have a very important role to play. Like I said, we have a lot of romance, lot of it's very high on emotional content, Andy. So especially Sai Kumar Garu, he's such a big actor, but he's so down to earth and very professional. And I have a very important sequence with him in the film. And even Prithvi Garu, you know, a lot of comedy scenes that we have together. So I got to work with all of them, and very, very good experience. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Dubbing? No. I haven't. Acting. She used to so Jaya ma'am is very clear, very specific about what she wants from her actors. So every time there's an important scene, I used to get a call from her, and she used to be like, "Darling, very important scene in this. You have to practice." She used to inject it because it's very important for her that her actors perform more than they look good. So I remember also I would sit with the ADs, the entire team, director department team helped us a lot because we used to sit before the shoot and practice every day. Tell me about, okay. So I basically come from a military background. My father is an Air Force officer, and I come from a family of academicians, nobody in films. I was a sports person basically in school, and so I didn't think I would become an actress, but I think this is destiny that I'm here. Badminton, state level badminton player. Yes, I have. There's something that I will be making official very soon. Correct. So this is my first. So I was in college when I did my previous film. So I wasn't very serious. I didn't know what I was doing. But now that I'm here, I think after I signed Vaishakham, I knew that I wanted to be an actress full time. It's a lot of hard work, lot of long commitment it is. So I had to do that. But yes, so now this is my first commercial outing. So waiting for the response. Favorite song in movie ki? Bhanumati naku chala nachindi. Producer B. Raju Garu is he's one of the calmest and nicest people I've met. He's a genuinely good person, very professional, very down to earth, and takwa matlada. He doesn't talk much, but he's somebody who'll look after you. He'll make sure you're taken care of, and no pressure. He doesn't put any pressure on his actors. You know, working when you work in RJ Cinemas, it's like a big family. So you don't feel like you're going to work every day. There is no pressure, no stress, like family laga. Next characters, next movies. Pedda list undi actually. Depending on the directors, what directors offer me. That's what you asked, right? What characters I want to do? In future, yes. So in future, actually I've just started. So I hope to play a lot of other characters, whether it's thriller, whether it's comedy. It's Naku fight sequences chala nachindi because of the sports background. So I think that maybe a period film. So pet the list. Yes, in Telugu and in other languages. Yes, full practice actually. The first time that I danced, and it was quite difficult to be honest. But thanks to Shekhar Master, that we work very, very hard, chala fast in these songs. But I think now that I have done songs in Vaishakham, I can work in any other movie with any other dancer. I've got so much practice. Not this time, unfortunately. I couldn't dub because I'm still not fluent. I understand Telugu, but fluency I don't have. Mostly like maybe say 1 or 2 films continuously and I will be fluent and I'll dub for my characters. First scene, actually, my introduction scene. It's in the teaser where I'm running. It's a jogging shot. So it was quite easy for me because I work out. So full day I was only running, and it was a lot of fun because it's a very beautiful introduction that I have in the film with music, and so I had a lot of fun. First day was very easy. Uh-huh. Glam. Even this movie, glamour undi, a lot of glamour undi, but tasteful glamour. See, glamorous you can be even in salwar kameez sari. I think that's what I feel. It's the way you carry yourself. But tasteful glamour, definitely. Any different kinds of films, different kinds of roles, I would love to do. The experience that I had was wonderful, wonderful memories in my movie lo, and I'm just so happy that I got to meet these wonderful people and got to be a part of this team. I really miss them already because I know we're just a few days away. But thank you, Raju sir and Jaya ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. This is a very special film. I'd really please 21st ki movie release అవుతుంది theaters ki వెళ్ళండి and compulsory ga movie చూడండి. It's a very interesting film, lot of romance, young pairing undi, and we worked very hard. So we just hope that you go and love the film as much as we enjoyed shooting for it. Question. Peddle list ఉంది actually, but I don't think I can pick one. But నేను recent గా, I'll say recent because I think we fall in love with actors for their characterization and the films they do, right? So నేను recent గా బాహుబలి and DJ చూసాను, అండ్ నాకు డాన్స్ చాలా నచ్చింది, నాకు గ్లామర్ యాటిట్యూడ్ చాలా నచ్చింది. సో ఐ థింక్ ప్రభాస్ అండ్ అల్లు అర్జున్. Actually, not much of a difference. If you have a good rapport with your director, doesn't matter if the director is male or female. But the advantage of working with a lady director is you get a very strong role to play. Chala dominating character. So I think that's something I relate to, and I enjoy doing it because we have very few roles like that for girls in the industry. So definitely, I would love to work with more lady directors. Okay.